Hi, my name is Fanny. I'm from Hungary, and I just finished my 300 hours teacher training course. 2022, I finished the 200 hours at the same school, so I really wanted to come back to complete my 500 hours. And I'm really happy that I've done this course again in the same school here in Vinyasa Yogashala. It's been a wonderful spiritual journey for me, and I really enjoyed this last month with awesome teachers and with awesome people together. The food, the accommodation, as usual, it was just great, and I highly recommend everyone who wish to have this journey to come to Rishikesh and complete their 200 or 300 hours yoga class or teacher training course. Namaste.